In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create an SMS message in HubSpot, step by step, in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the top menu and find the Marketing or Automation section. Where you go next depends on how you want to use SMS, either as part of a campaign or inside a workflow. If you want to create an SMS directly, click on Marketing, then look for SMS in the menu. This is where HubSpot allows you to manage and send text messages. Keep in mind that SMS features are available with the appropriate Marketing Hub plan, so make sure your account has access. If you want to send SMS automatically, head to Automation and click on Workflows. From here, choose to create a new workflow and select the option to start from scratch. This gives you full control over when and how your SMS messages are sent. Next, set up a trigger for your workflow. This could be something like a contact being added to a list or completing a form. After setting the trigger, add an action and choose Send SMS. Now it's time to write your message. Type your SMS content clearly and keep it short, since text messages work best when they're direct. You can also add personalization tokens, like the contact's first name, to make the message feel more personal and engaging. Once everything looks good, review your settings and save your workflow. HubSpot will now send your SMS automatically based on the trigger you selected. And that's how you create an SMS message on HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.